శ్రీ గౌతమి విద్యా సంస్థల ఆధ్వర్యంలో 6, 7, 8, 9 తరగతి విద్యార్థులకు క్విజ్ పోటీలు నిర్వహించగా ఈ క్విజ్ పోటీల్లో ప్రతిభ చాటిన విద్యార్థులను నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ గ్రాండ్ క్విజ్ కి ఎంపిక చేసినట్లు శ్రీ గౌతమి ప్రిన్సిపల్ అక్కిశెట్టి ఒక ప్రకటనలో తెలిపారు.
Good evening, dear parents. Today we have conducted GK and current affairs test quiz competition in our school. Children are enthusiastically participated in this quiz competition to enhance the knowledge with their academic subjects. It gives the good opportunity to learn the idea about the world and national level, what type of incidents, what type of events are happened, that we provide through the current affairs and GK examination. In this GK test, we give the different type of questions. We selected different type of questions from their level wise and provides the good knowledge to children to enhance the knowledge along with the academic subjects. Our children, they performed well from various sections, and also we selected some of the children for grand quiz. It will conduct by the next Saturday. Through this quiz competitions, children, they get the idea of different subjects knowledge. Thank you very much.